This is a 2009 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a passenger side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted stereo controls, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.